So it is nearly 5 p.m. and I'm just getting started on this office and writing stuff for the day because I have been busy all day with admin tasks and decision making and working on the HB90 2023 planner, which is coming soon, and all that good stuff. My Sterling Ink planner, which is another planner company. She's mostly does stickers, and I've loved her because she often has like florals and dragonflies in her designs. She has come out with her own planner called, I think, the Common Planner or Commonplace Planner. I think Common Planner, and it is a B6 size planner, and I'm going to be using that planner next year for my like 6 months for life tarot journal, everything. I'm been spending the last few days, like when I have some free time, really thinking through my planner systems for 2023, because I want to do a trial run of some of that stuff in December to make sure that's how I want it to be. So thank you to everybody who suggested one of Cindy's most recent videos about pulling out index cards and trying to figure out the planner system that works for you moving forward, like kind of evaluating your current planner system if you're feeling the need to simplify. I found it super helpful. And I spent my whole morning with my index cards and hanging out with Evie. She was putting makeup on my face. I did not get any recordings of this, but it was kind of funny. And I was going through those note cards. So I will link Cindy's video down below if you've also been thinking about simplifying, because I found it very helpful. So I will share with you guys what those simplifying planners will be as soon as we get into December. But that Sterling Ink planner is getting delivered today. So I keep kind of watching out for the mailbox out there because I cannot wait to see it. I got the half year one, so I'll share those with you soon. But I also have been working on my plan for the rest of November, like I was talking about in yesterday's vlog. And one of the things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to Austin. I'm so excited for this. So I like to try, when I'm trying for a big writing goal, to do a hotel night. And I call them Write-A-Paloozas. I love it. It's so much fun. I've been doing them since my son was 6 months old, and I can get so much done. I love just the immersion and the time to prioritize my writing. It's going to be awesome. Now, I decided to book a hotel in Austin for 2 nights. So I'll be there Sunday night and Monday night, because I also wanted to make a trip to the Erin Condren physical store. I have never been to their store. You guys know I'm such a fan of EC planners. So I reached out to my rep, Tori, to let her know I was coming, and she's going to put me in touch with the people who work there so I can, get a tour or whatever else. So I'm very excited. I'm going to share all of that with you guys, and I'm going to get some extra little accessories and stuff. So I'm like, hey, I'm simplifying my planners and also me. So I'm excited for that. I can't wait to share it with you. And I'm hoping that I am going to get some amazing writing done and do some fun shopping, maybe Christmas shopping while I'm there. So I'll share that. And I'm staying at a super cute hotel, and I can share with you guys kind of how my hotel night process goes. And hopefully we'll be cheering each other on. So that's Sunday and Monday night coming up. But before we get to Sunday or Monday night, the Indie Writer Fest is going on this weekend. This is an online conference. Most of the conference workshops are being presented via Zoom. So if you want to get in, you can sign up down at the link down below for Indie Writer Fest. It's going on for Saturday and Sunday. And I will be speaking on Sunday about how to balance marketing and writing. So if you've been interested in learning a little bit more about how to plan and how much time you should spend on marketing versus how much time you should spend on your writing and stuff like that, definitely come join us. Hopefully I'm going to have some good tips for you. So that will be on Zoom, but it will also be recorded for the VIP sessions. And then I think later it's all going up on her YouTube channel for free. But if you want to get in this weekend, and I would love to see some of my hearties in the comments, definitely come join. So I will leave that link down below for you. All of the times I think listed on the site are GMT. So I'm speaking at 1900 GMT, which is 1 o'clock Central Time. And 2 p.m. Eastern. So I hope to see you there. And then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to be on the road to Austin for a couple days. And then before you know it, the month is over. So I'm hoping for good success. But right now it's almost 5. I have been working all day. So I'm going to go hang out with the kids, make some dinner. I think we're throwing steaks on the grill. And then I will be back later tonight with some writing, getting some words in. I probably will still be doing a little bit of plotting and planning because I feel like that's so important for me to be doing the plotting and planning right now, because if I want to make the most of that hotel night, I need to be in a place where I can write a lot of words. I can't be like, the most successful hotel nights I've had have been ones where I know exactly what scenes are coming up and I can just zoom through them. If I have to spend time that night thinking what's happening in my story, then I just won't get a lot of words. So we're going to try to set it up for big word nights. And that means still more plotting work, but I'm still going to try to hit that like 14 to 1500 words at least tonight, so I don't fall too far behind. So, all right, I will see you guys tonight. Okay, let's write. It's almost 9. I'm hoping to get at least an hour to an hour and a half in tonight. So let's do this. Rhiannon is live in the Heart Breathings writing community. Also, let me show you what I got in the mail. I got my Sterling ink planners. If you guys have not seen these, she released a common planner. I will link to them because I think I'll link to her site because I think that she's going to have some extras. I ended up getting the half year, so it's the year divided into 6 months each, because I do a sort of program that I'm just my own personal thing. It's not like an official program called 6 Months for Life, and I thought this would be perfect to split it into 2. So I've got 6 months, right? It's very similar to a Hobonichi, but it is a B6 size. So you have like a yearly overview, and I will link to her channel where she'll show you like all this, and I'll talk about it more in my planner lineup. But it came so beautifully packaged in this really nice box that'll be so nice for keepsakes later. It also has this gorgeous gold, like sparkly detail on the pages. I love it. I'm so excited to have it. Even though I can't start planning in it yet, I'm so excited to have it. So the mauve one is for the first half of the year and the black one is for the second half of the year. Cannot wait. But I'm going to go hang out with Rhiannon and I'm going to get some writing done. So let's go. Okay, I have been writing for quite a while. It is now getting close to 11 p.m. and my eyes are just starting to get really tired. But it is making me remember all this night writing. It's making me remember how I actually finished books when I had a baby, my first baby, because I could only write at night. So this is similar. It's kind of like I have a full-time job during the day with heart breathings, and then I write at night. And I'm kind of remembering that, yeah, I want to put time into this. I either have to create space in my daily work or I need to make time for it at night. And I've actually been enjoying this, but I also know that it's not totally sustainable for me to write for like hours at a time every night. But even if I could choose to do this a couple of nights a week and then fit in a few coffee shop trips throughout the week, it would even out into some good writing sessions, even if I didn't write every day. I think sometimes there's this feeling that like, if you are a serious writer, you must write every day or you're not, really taking it seriously or making it a priority. And for some reason, even though I know that's not true, it still sticks in my head sometimes. So I'm feeling very encouraged because I'm like, oh, I do kind of get to decide how I want to fit this into my life. I just need to start getting creative about it and really like get into the story and know that I can make time for this. I don't know. It's a shift. I'm feeling a shift. Anyway, I did very well tonight. So hopefully that'll show up, but I got to 22,817. So I was at 28,55. So just shy. Let's see, 22,817. So just shy of 2,000 words, 1962. Oh my gosh, it says to stay on par I needed 2,082. So, all right, I should have tried to get that extra 100 words, but I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow. And here's what I'm seeing. Like maybe I'm below where the par is, but look at this line, y'all. I'm writing, and that feels good. And I'm not going to judge whether it's writing at somebody else's predetermined success pace, but I'm just going to say I'm really proud of myself because this time last year, I was not writing like this. So this is improvement and I'm feeling really encouraged by it. So I took some time tonight to write a flashback scene, a couple of flashback scenes. And this is all thanks to a lot of the work I did on the timeline. This kind of looks a mess, but I put present day timeline here and then leading to timeline. And I kind of put my main act one climax, midpoint, et cetera, here. And then down here, I put the different events. And like I said, it's kind of a mess. I need to actually put it up on the big wall, but it brought me some clarity about the fact that when I'm doing this like double timeline stuff here, I don't know how to explain it exactly, but I've gotten so many good ideas as of the last few days about really how this past timeline and these flashbacks are going to tie into the present. And not only that, but what I was thinking of yesterday and the day before on our date night is how these flashbacks tie into each other. And it's really got me excited for the writing. So I am just going to keep, plugging away. So that's it for day 17. We are done for the night. And so I'm going to go splash my face with some cold water, maybe make a tea, do a little bit of reading, read my tarot cards, and go to bed feeling satisfied and happy and grateful for the opportunity to be writing this story and to be a writer and to just be here. I'm grateful to be here, and I'm grateful for all of you that are sticking with me. It's so cool to see each day that there's thousands of people that are following this journey, and I just feel grateful and humbled and excited every single day that you guys are here and you're on this journey with me. So thank you for being here. I love you. I'm cheering for you, and I will see you tomorrow, day 18. All right.